A businessman made an appointment with the principal of a school, a Catholic school. And the businessman told the principal that he wanted to express his gratitude to the management, to the school, for giving good education to his sons. And so he said, I'd like to establish an annual scholarship for some needy student. And the principal was delighted and he said, would you give us the honor of letting the scholarship bear your name? And then the businessman replied, give the scholarship any name you wish but my name. Don't give my name. I'd like the source of scholarship to remain anonymous. So today's reading invites us to ask ourselves, when we give of our time, talent, money, how interested are we in being given public thanks or recognition? Today's reading invites us to pray, Lord, protect us against doing the right thing for the wrong motive. So as I said, the reward is greater in heaven when you reach out to God's people, the needy, the poor, and you yourself get the joy of giving so much because you will return 100-fold from God.